She read a book. She read a book. They listen to the teacher. They listen to the teacher. He draw a picture. He draw a picture. The kids sit on the floor. The kids sit on the floor. We stand in a line. We stand in a line. I color the picture. I color the picture. She spelled her name. She spelled her name. The children count the number. The children count the number. He learns new word. He learns new word. The girl paint with a brush. The girl paint with a brush. They talk to the teacher. They talk to the teacher. He answered the question. He answered the question. The student read aloud. The student read aloud. She raised her hand. She raised her hand. I opened my book. I opened my book. He studied hard. He studied hard. The class sing together. The class sing together. The children run in the park. The children run in the park. The children run in the park. He jumped over the puddle. He jumped over the puddle. She ride her bike. She ride her bike. We walk to school. We walk to school. They climb the tree. They climb the tree. He threw the ball. He threw the ball. She caught a balloon. She caught the balloon. I kicked the ball. I kicked the ball. We dig in the sand. We dig in the sand. We dig in the sand. The kids swim in the pool. The kids swim in the pool. She flies a kite. She flies a kite. He skipped with a rope. He skipped with a rope. We plant flower. We plant flower. We pick up straw. We pick up straw. I watch the bird. I watch the bird. She pointed at the sky. She pointed at the sky. He laughed loudly. He laughed loudly. The kids danced happily. The kids danced happily. He plays in the mud. He plays in the mud. We build sand castle. We build a sand castle. We build a sand castle. We build a sand castle. I wake up early. I wake up early. He get dressed. He get dressed. He packed his bag. He packed his bag. We go to school. We go to school. I rest after lunch. I rest after lunch. She does her homework. She does her homework. He reads a bedtime story. He reads a bedtime story.